Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house of Haramain. Yes, they are the house because they make everything from the raw material to the final products inside the company. And also they are a niche house because the only things they make is perfume or perfume related products. So they are a true niche house. Perfumes, fragrances from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for more than 50 years, and for God knows how many perfumes they have in their lineup, hundreds. This line, which by the way they've been sent to me by Al Haramain for transparency. This was sent to me by Al Haramain for review, but as always, all the opinions, whatever I say is mine. They haven't got any influence on this video whatsoever, and this is not sponsored, this is not affiliated, just a perfume review video for you guys for your information. Okay guys, so this one is from their Lavender line. Lavender line is quite well known, and in this one in particular called Lavender Al Haramain Lavender, this is Fraiche, Lavender Fraiche. So same box and same design as the all other Lavenders, and this is Eau de Perfume 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it around £50 on their website. I'll leave the link if you are interested to go do your research. This one came out just a few weeks ago, so it's very new, and I haven't smelled it. There is only one person mentioning it in the videos on YouTube, so it's going to be quite exciting. It's very new. Alright, so but before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. When you hit those buttons, you encourage me, you motivate me, you help me to make videos like this in future, to bring you fragrances that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money and they smell great and they're hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, you could do that and get something very beautiful in return when you support me that way. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase those. I'll leave them in the link. They are out of this world, amazing value for money. Ultra beast mode, 100% natural, very mysterious smelling, and they are one of the highest quality perfumes you can get for the price. Okay guys, as always, thank you very much. If you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. The information is in the link, and also there's a heart shape underneath this video. You could get me a coffee there. Alright, so let's go. So as always, very good presentation with House of Al Haramain. High quality, very thick. This one is a plastic, and attention to detail is everywhere. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So very attractive color, and the quite deep green. So let's see how is the bottle. Okay, the bottle is the exactly same shape bottle as other Lavenders, but obviously this one is a green bottle, but it looks very good. Obviously this is very reflective, and you is a fingerprint magnet, but overall it's very nice. It's very heavy bottle, and it says Lavender Fraiche Al Haramain Eau de Perfume 100 ml. The cap, it says Al Haramain on it, so attention to detail as always is very good. And the cap is very heavy. It's like 300 grams, 400 grams is cap. It's a combination of plastic and metal, and the atomizer is modern and silver. And here we go. Look at this. Whoa, beautiful pressurized atomizer. Wow, they're upping their game, Although the House of Al Haramain always been good with presentation. You can't beat them for the price what they given to you. They give you everything plus the kitchen sink. But now we have a pressurized atomizer, which is very nice. Okay, so wow, it's filling the room, filling the house. Here we go. first impression for Al Haramain Levenche Fraiche. Here we go. Woo! First thing it hits me is the floral. So it is very, very floral. It's heavy on the floral, and I can smell white floral in here, and it's very, very fresh. As it says, the name Al Haramain Levenche Fraiche is super fresh. It's very, very happy, it's very bright, it's very uplifting, it's very inviting, it's very easygoing. So it is definitely a summer fragrance. Big citrus. I can smell lemon, I can smell bergamot, and I can smell grapefruit. So big citrus in here. Hint of mintiness, and also a little bit of ginger feel to it. So it's just quite a little bit on the sharp side, but overall it's very rounded and it's very smooth. But it opened up beautifully, opened up like a beautiful fragrance, beautiful perfume. No harshness, no alcohol, no synthetic feeling to it. Very, very nice. Just, this is how you do perfume. Beautiful. Well done, House of Al Haramain, to make such a beautiful and high quality fragrances for such a affordable price for us consumers to appreciate it, because some of these brands out there, for this quality, for this presentation, for this price, for this quality, they charge you at least 3 to 4 times of this price. Anyway, so let's carry on. Definitely spicy, but the spices are here is quite fresh and light. It's not deep spice, it's light, it's quite on the bright side of things. I can smell a little bit of cardamom, I smell a little bit of cinnamon as well. I smell something leafy in here, so it is a little bit on the green side as the color suggests, but it's not huge green. It's green, but it's not deep dense green, but it's a quite bright green. It's a bright green, it's a happy green, it's a fresh green, so it is superbly good for summer. I smell something aromatic in here, so it could be lavender. It's very, very aromatic. It's very it's quite on the tiny bit of medicinal, tiny bit of that peppery feel to it as well. What a complex fragrance, what a beauty. And to me, this is a gorgeous fragrance. After I had few bad experiences with fragrances for the last few days, this is just up the game massively. Okay, very woody in the base. The woods are very, very clean here. Cedar sandalwood combination, very smooth, very rounded, very clean, but it's quite woody, so you need to like your woody fragrances as well. So it's very woody, is green, is grassy, is leafy, it's aromatic, is a little bit of spiciness. The spices are fresh, and a huge citrus in the beginning. Oh yes, a little musky feel to it overall from beginning. Right now it's just quite musky, so let's see how it goes. Overall, it doesn't smell unique to me. It smells something familiar, but I can't point my finger on it. So it's got some familiarity, but overall it is very well done. It's fresh, it's green, it's happy, it's floral, it's citrusy, it's gingery, it's cardamomy, little bit of spiciness in here, but the spices are fresh. And also a little bit of muskiness and woodiness in the base. The woods are very, very clean and very, very aromatic, and also white floral feel to it as well. So beautifully done. In the next video, I'll let you know the development, longevity. At the moment, it's filling the room, filling the house. It looks like it's going to last, so we'll see about that. But for a first impression, absolutely yes. House of Al Haramain done it again. I unboxed and reviewed numerous of their fragrances, probably more than 40 of them, and almost vast majority were very, very good, especially for the price. Very good quality, very good perfumery, and also the performance are excellent. And the ratio for what you pay and what you get always with House of Al Haramain, one of the best out there. Okay guys, so for the first impression, yes, I give it 2 thumbs up. Absolutely up my alley. If you know me a little bit, you know I love my green fragrances anyway. And although it's modernized, it's got a hint of classicness to it, which is again up my alley. But I love this genre of perfumery: green, fresh, happy, summer. This is up my alley. Anyway, don't forget I'm a middle-aged man, Middle Eastern man, and also experienced man. So this is up my alley. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because again, it's quite complex overall. In terms of season, definitely warmer weather like summer and spring, definitely. And in terms of occasion, this is Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, evening, daytime, casual, special occasion, formal, informal, anything you want. It's very, very versatile. Could be easily somebody's signature scent, but up my alley, beautiful. Wow, it's filling the room, filling the house. Beautiful, beautiful. I smell something watery in the mid, something watery like a bamboo smell to it as well. Wow, this is very, very good. Hint of what you call it, that Creed Silver Mountain Water, hint of it, not too much, just hint of that floral, you know, little of obviously fresh floral, little of white floral in here, and also a little of inkiness. The inkiness is toned down in here very much, although it's not one-to-one, it's not 100%, it's not inspired by it, I don't think so, but it's got a hint of it. Let's say about 40-50% of it, it reminds me of Creed Silver Mountain Water, but the rest of it is their own DNA. It's nothing to do with Silver Mountain Water, but just to put you in the right direction, similar to that one, but it's much fresher, much greener, much happier than Silver Mountain Water by Creed. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Your support will take this channel a long way. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your subscriptions, thank you for your comments, thank you for your likes. All these things will help me to carry on with this endeavor, to bring you fragrances in future and survive this endeavor. Okay guys, if you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'll leave them in the link as well. I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They're called the Scent of Persia because the ingredients come from my country, Iran, and they are one of the best ingredients in the world, if not the best. We've been making perfumes for more than 5,000 years, so you can tell how much we love perfumes. And I bring them here, mix them to 20 different perfumes. Each of them are unique, artistic, mysterious, very mesmerizingly beautiful, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, and no alcohol, no preservative, no additive, no synthetic, nothing, just pure perfume oils for you guys in United Kingdom, who are the lucky ones. Okay, thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye.